Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to create this sparkly glittery eye makeup look which is perfect for any occasion. And if you don't have any occasion, just sit down and play with the makeup you have, just as I did. I just sat down and played with some makeup that I have. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please continue watching. But before that, if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram. Now let's get into the video. Let's start with primer, guys. For primer, I'm going to go for this one. This is the Blue Heaven Flawless Makeup Base Primer. ये अभी नया है. This is their new launch, I believe, and ये मैंने मेरे Blue Heaven के जो products मैंने try किए थे उस वीडियो में try किया था. I've kept it on hold, so we are going to just try it out today and see how it performs. I'm going to apply this on my pore areas and then जो भी बचा I'm taking it all over my face. It is a bit slippery, so let's see how this fares. Let the primer sit on the skin. तब तक हम eye makeup कर लेते हैं. Let's go for eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm going to go for my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. I'm going to go for this shade, the second one, to fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to take the wax and I'm going to just set my eyebrows in place using that. I'm going to prep my eyelids using this Swiss Beauty Concealer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go for my Morphe X James Charles palette and I'm going to take the first shade in the palette and put this and just set my concealer in place using this. I'm going to go for this brown shade and put this in my crease. Now switching to a clean blending brush, मैं बस edges को अच्छे से diffuse करने वाला. I'm going to blend that shade really well. I'm going to go for this shade. This is a deep purple sort of shade. I'm going to concentrate this on my outer V. Now switching to our previous brush, मैं दोनों shade को एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छे से blend कर लूँगा. I'm just very light-handedly and just blending those shades together. Guys, ये जो भी बाहर गया है, we will clean it up later on. अभी तक हमने base नहीं किया है. Now I'm going to go for this shade and put this in the inner half of my eye. Champagne kind of shade. We are creating that soft cut crease sort of thing without doing any cut crease. If you are interested, you can cut your crease. Guys, I need a glitter. I feel like applying glitter over this, so I'm going to go to my Trend Beauty glitter palette and I'm going to dip into this rose gold kind of shade. I'm going to apply it on the shimmer जो मैंने अभी apply है. I think the eyes look very pretty. Now let's go for liner. For liner, I am using this Cuffs and Lashes eyeliner. This is in the shade Peach and I'm going to draw a wing now. Okay guys, the wing liner is on. We'll come back to our eyes later. Let's go for our base now. I'm going to start off with my color corrector. For color corrector, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade orange. I'm going to blend it with my finger itself. Now I'm going to set this orange corrector using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. For foundation, I'm going to go for my PAC HD liquid foundation. I'm going to take 2 pumps of it and swipe this all over my face. And I'm going to blend it using my sponge. For concealer, I'm going to go for this. This is the Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Concealer in the shade C12. I'm going to take it at the back of my hand. मैं एक ब्रश के हेल्प से इसको मेरे पूरे फेस पे स्वाइप करने वाली हूँ on my usual concealing area. And this time I'm going to blend it with a brush. This is quite a dewy concealer, so I'm going to quickly set my concealer and also my face using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder again. Okay, let's go for bronzer, guys. For that I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow bronzing powder, contouring powder, and I'm going to dip into this shade and bronze up my face. For blush, I'm using this Blue Heaven Signature Blush palette. I really like this palette. I'm going to dip into this shade and apply it on the apples of my cheek. This is a beautiful peachy sort of shade. ये product का एक ही problem है, it is very heavily scented. If that is something that you can ignore, this product is really good. Now it's time to melt down all the powders. For that I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible makeup fixer. I'm going to push the product in using my sponge. Let's come back to our eyes, guys. I'm going to apply kajal. For that I'm using this Blue Heaven kajal. I'm going to come back to my James Charles palette. I'm going to take this shade again, जो मैंने outer V में लगाया था, and I'm going to just smoke out my lower lash line का काजल using this. Now I'm going to take this shade again and use this in my inner corner and my brow bone. For mascara, I'm going to go for my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Let's go for highlighter, guys. For highlighter, I'm going to go for my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I'm going to just blend it into my skin using my sponge. We are only left with lipstick, guys. I'm going to line my lips using this Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And I'm kind of going to fill in my lips using that as well. Now for lipstick, I'm going to go for this. This is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Lip and Cheek color in the shade Coffee Light. And yeah, that is the finished look, guys. I really love the way how it turned out. So yes, with this we come to the end of this video, guys. If you found it helpful or if you enjoyed watching it, do give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, bye.